Hey everyone, welcome on GK Talks. You can find educational videos on my channel, and today I am here with the new poems explanation related to grade 8 English, and the poem which I am going to discuss in this video is The Last Bargain. Before starting the main theme, main idea or the summary, let's talk about what is bargain. A bargain is an agreement in which both parties promises to do something for each other. Someone is looking for work, waiting to be hired. He strikes a bargain but thinks it worthless. He tries twice again but doesn't like either. Finally, in the last bargain, when he is hired by nothing whatever, he is happy as never before. What is the bargain and why is it the best? All these things we are going to discuss in the explanation of this poem. The Last Bargain. Rabindranath Tagore's The Last Bargain presents an enigma. Enigma means something which is difficult to understand. How can it be that a child offering nothing can be the bargain that makes a free man to the seeker? The message of the poem is that no power, no money and beautiful things of the world can win us happiness. Let's begin the summary. The poem is about someone looking for a job. However, he wants to be hired without losing his freedom. The poet tells us that he received offers from the rich, the powerful and the beautiful. However, he turned them all down. At last, he met an innocent child. He immediately accepted his offer. What was the king's proposal? The first offer came from a king early in the morning. He had more power than wealth. He offered the man his power in return for the man's labor. The man, however, felt that the king's might was not worth much, so he refused the king's offer. Now next, what was the rich man's proposal? The second offer came in the midday when it was really very hot. An old man offered him a lot of gold in return for his labor. The man was not much impressed. The wealth did not attract him, so he refused that offer too. Now next offer or proposal was from the beauty's proposal. Then it was evening. There was natural beauty all around. There were flowers in the hedge. A beautiful girl came to the man. She gave a pretty smile. She offered to give the man her smiles in return for his labor. The man found that her happiness was only sorrow in disguise, so he refused that offer too. What was the last proposal? Ultimately, the man came to the seashore. There he found a child playing with shells. The child offered to take his service in return for nothing. The man accepted the offer because while playing with the child, he was still a free man. So what moral can be of this poem? The moral of the poem is that money, wealth, power or beauty cannot give you happiness. Only when one feels true pleasure at seeing something, one finds happiness. No one was able to hire the poet either with power or with beauty, but a child's innocence and simplicity are enough to hire him for life. It's a wonderful poem by Rabindranath Tagore. I hope this explanation will be helpful for you all. You can check my other videos related to the English literature grade 8. The links are flashing on your screens. You can check that out. I hope you will like all that videos and it will be helpful too. Thank you. Bye-bye.